Hi, and welcome to the Airbrush Garage. I'm Dan, and thanks for checking out my channel. I'm going to be passing on all the tips, tricks, and accessory builds that I made for my airbrush area in my garage throughout my past 20 years. I know how I struggled when I was a beginner, so hopefully some of my videos may make your life a little bit easier and help you move forward in your airbrushing endeavors. So if you like this content, hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell so you don't miss out on future content. So with that, let's get started. Hi, I'm Dan from the Airbrush Garage, and today I'm going to be showing you a really cool trick on how to make some carbon fiber. So let's get right into it. First thing you're going to need is some ordinary, from your Dollar Tree store or whatever dollar store you want to go to, some ordinary drawer liner. I think I paid $7 for the whole roll. I think I got about 10 feet of it by about 2 feet. So really, really cheap. That's all it is your rubber drawer liner. Okay. So with that, let's get started. Okay, so I got a pre-prep surface here. Again, I'm just using poster board just for this demonstration. Normally this type of effect I usually be putting on metal, but it works the same. So what I did is I prepped it with some black spray paint, just for the quickness and the ease of it. It's all dried up now. So what I did now, or what the next step is we're going to be doing, is I use, again, Createx Paints, but it doesn't matter what type of paint, you're going to want silver. Okay, so now I've seen this done with different colors, different backgrounds, because not every background that you're putting carbon fiber on is going to have black. So I've seen some pretty cool effects. You can play around with the colors. But again, so now we got our drawer liner, again, our $7 roll of drawer liner. I have a piece cut off. I'm just going to lay that down on top of our surface. And then we're going to start shooting our silver in. What I'm doing is I'm going in a diagonal pattern right now, shooting it across the surface. Because you're shooting a lot on, your paint goes rather quickly. So I'm just going to take a look and see what I got so far. Okay, so nope, we're going to need a little bit more on that. I'll reload my gun. Just as with any template that you're using, you want to be spraying, try to spray to 90 degree or as close you could to the template, so you're not spraying underneath the template, because what you're looking for is you're not looking for that overspray to get under the template as much as possible. What I like to do then too is I like to mix a little bit of white in over it. I've already used gold for some highlights, give it a little bit of a shimmer. So, you know, experiment. There's again, experiment on a test piece like this here before you go trying it on somebody's, you know, car or project. So with the white, I'm just going to come in and I'm going to spray some diagonals. I'm going to check my desired effect. I'm going to come back in with one more coat of silver. I did forget to mention one thing. A lot of times when I'm doing this, I'm spraying down. I think I'm doing this for demonstration purposes. You should always put your cap on your paint, especially when you're trying to paint at a severe angle like this. This definitely will help you save your artwork. So let's see what we got. Now, that's showing more of a highlighted carbon fiber effect. Again, you can work it back and forth to get the desired results that you want. I have carbon fiber effects where I don't have such a highlight on it. For example, on this car hood. And that's all done with the drawer liner. So there you have it. A real simple and easy trick or technique that you can add to your airbrush arsenal. So with that, keep on airbrushing, keep on practicing. We'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, thanks for coming by the Airbrush Garage. If you like this video, check out some of my other videos for all your airbrush tune-ups. And if you like content like this, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell so you get future notifications. Share it out with your family and your friends. Really appreciate that. And we'll see you in the next video, and keep on painting.